Hello, you are welcome to my channel. So we will be talking on how to reduce NCLEX anxiety. Don't forget to subscribe and press the notification bell. You are about to embark on a journey to conquer the dreaded NCLEX exam. This video provides practical strategies and calming techniques to help you manage test anxiety and achieve success on your journey to becoming a registered nurse. Pinpoint the specific triggers that make you feel anxious. Is it the fear of failure? Uncertainty about the test? Physical signs of anxiety? Increased heart rate, sweating, difficulty breathing. How to overcome exam anxiety. Practice deep breathing exercises or diaphragmatic breathing. Positive self-talk. Replace negative thoughts with affirmations. Remind yourself of your strengths and your ability to succeed. Visualize. Imagine yourself successfully completing the NCLEX. This can help you build confidence and reduce anxiety. Start with the questions you feel most confident about. This builds momentum and reduces anxiety. Elimination method. Eliminate incorrect answers to narrow down your choices. Don't remain on questions you find difficult. Move on and come back to them later if you have time. Acknowledge your effort and hard work. Engage in activities you enjoy to help you. Reflect on your experience. What did you do well? What could you improvement on? This will help you prepare for future exams or challenges. Always have a pen and study book to write down things you learn.